Welcome to Fast Fix. Today I'll show you how to hide following list on Instagram. So open your Instagram app and go ahead and tap on the profile at the bottom right corner so you can see here the post, followers, and all your following accounts. Well, actually, you don't have any ways to hide following list on your Instagram even though you are on a public or a private account. When you go to your profile page and go to the three lines at the top, then settings and privacy, and go over to account privacy to toggle on the private account, it will not be affect the feature and it will always show the following list on your Instagram even though you are on a private account. So that's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell icon to notify you to the next video.